Hey, what's up, you guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Yeah, I'm in my same outfit that you saw me in the last video because I don't care. This is just gonna be a really quick one today. I finally received my Yesstyle box. If you saw my Black Friday buys, I ordered this thing on November 26th and it finally got here. It took over a month to get here. I don't know if that's normal for Yesstyle or if it was just because of the Black Friday like bonanza sale that they were having, that they were catching up with a bunch of orders. This is my very first buy from them. They were having like a really big Black Friday deal thing, and there were some things that I wanted to get in here, so we're just gonna unbox it and see what I got. So first, when it came in this little box, I was like, I bought like a bunch of stuff, so I did open it to make sure that everything I got was in there. But it was. They packed it like really tightly. It all came in like this little thing. So like, yeah, I got like some stuff in there. It's just, I guess they're all tiny things. I don't have a code for Yesstyle or anything. A bunch of other people do. So plus the stuff on there, it's like on sale all the time. And the sales always change. So like sometimes like you go on there and something's something, and then you go on there again and then something else. And it's like a wild, wacky game over there. But they carry a whole bunch of like Asian beauty, K beauty, C beauty, J beauty, a whole bunch of stuff. They have skincare, makeup, hair tools. I think they even have like a fashion section. They have like everything over there, and it's all like pretty decently priced. I bought enough to get free shipping, and I got like a whole bunch of discounts for stuff. I think I spent like 50 bucks like in total. And now really like looking at this, it probably doesn't look like $50 worth of stuff, but let's just see what I got. Let's start with the most unexciting. I did buy some pimple patches for my husband. He uses these like all the time, and sometimes these are like pretty expensive. And this was a pack of 48 of them, and it has like the Cica stuff in there to like, I don't know, calm redness or whatever. And it's like two different sizes. There's 10 millimeter and 20 milliliter. There's two sizes in here. There's 18 of the 10 millimeter and 30 of the 12 millimeter. This is not very exciting, but it is something that I needed to get my husband, so maybe we'll see if they work. Is there really any difference between pimple patches? I think they're like all the same. All right, the next thing that I got, this was because Lauren May Beauty really likes this stuff. She's repurchased it like a whole bunch of times. She has like a pretty similar skin like thing as me. She's like kind of oily, kind of textury or whatever. She really likes this cleanser. And you know, I just opened like 2 bottles of the Prequel cleanser that I really do love, but I wanted to try this since I was ordering from the site. This is the Heimish All Clean Green Foam pH cleanser. She says that this is really nice, like a really good feel. It leaves the skin like really nice feeling. So this is like a pretty big, I think this is like the most expensive thing that I got out of the whole thing. It was a little over 10 bucks, I think, but it's just like a green foam cleanser. Oh, it has a safety seal. I'm not going to open that right now. I'll let you guys know if it's something that is worth it. I'm excited to try it. I love facial cleansers, and so maybe as my second cleanse, because I do a oil remover first and then I go in with a cleanser. Really excited to try that one out, so I'll let you guys know how that works out. Okay, the rest of the stuff I bought is makeup, because if you saw my last video, I am really into the Asian makeup thing, and can't really go wrong from what I have seen so far. I got 3 of the Judy doll. They have Judy doll on the site, and in this particular instance, they were cheaper than the Judy doll site, which I do have a coupon code for if you want to save 20% on the actual Judy doll site. It's Bunny20, but I love these eyeliners so much. I go through them so fast. Like, this is the only eyeliner that I like. I have like 3 L'Oreal ones right now that I don't really like, but because I was waiting to get these, I had to get some of them. I got 3 colors of these. These only ran like $7.30 on their Black Friday sale. So I did get another black one. I think I got a brown one. And then I want to say I think I got 2 browns, like medium brown and deep brown, and then a black. These are just amazing eyeliners, guys. They are really nice packaging, in my opinion. They're just like a pretty brown. I don't know. I really like this. And then the tips are just like super super fine. I mean, like super fine. And they're brush tips, which I have found out the felt tips when I bought those L'Oreal's, it's just not as good. The brush tips is the way to go. It gets the nice fine lines. You can draw like all types of ways. So I did get 3 of these and I'm very excited to have them back in my life. The next thing I got, I don't know. I thought I would try it. I really don't need one right now. I'm like swimming in mascaras right now. This is a company called McQueen New York. They have their logo as MQNY on here, but this is the Extreme Volume Potencera or Potencara, I can't tell, mascara. It is specifically for volume and heard some good things about this one, and I always like trying a new mascara, although I don't have like a lot of luck with them. But here's what the packaging looks like. It is sealed, so let's just go ahead and open it up so we can look at the brush, because I probably am gonna give it a shot. Let's see what this brush looks like. Oh yeah. It definitely looks like a volumizing brush. Let's just hope that the formula is not clumpy and doesn't transfer on me. This was like $5 or $6 or something like that. So I thought I would give it a shot. I thought, you know, seemed pretty cool. The last 2 things I have are eyeshadows. I bought these off of the recommendation of Laura May Beauty when she got some in like PR to do a full Yesstyle video, and I thought they looked really good. The one Novo, if you can remember, one of the first Temu videos I ever did, I got these like ombre blushes by this Novo company. Really, really liked them. Let's go ahead and open this one first. This is a single color eyeshadow. It says a fine, lightweight powder that blends easily. I kind of believe it because every time that I have tried Asian Beauty eyeshadow, it has been really nice. Plus, you know, the packaging on these things is always like super cute. Oh, so adorable. Oh, it's so adorable. So it's this little like white acrylic case and it says Novo on the front. And I can't even remember what color I got. Does it even say? It's just some numbers and some symbols that I can't read. Oh, it's a sparkly. I didn't know that. Okay. Oh, look, there's a little mirror in there. This is like such a cute little fat compact. I like it a lot. Little protective film on there. And then that's what she looks like. Really, really pretty. And again, it just says O2, so I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh, it's very sparkly, but like really pretty. Show this to you guys. Ooh. Can you see that? Oh, it's like really sparkly. Oh, that's actually really pretty. I'm excited to try that. Okay. Oh, that is really, really pretty. Why don't we just put some on my eyes right now? Just to like see. Oh. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, I like it a lot. Oh. Oh, I like that kind of sparkly. No fallout from the glitter or whatever that is. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, so yeah, this little Novo thing, super pretty. Like that a lot. Again, this was like $5, so I thought I might as well try. But I like it. And then this one it's from a company called Harrow Orange. This was like one of her favorite ones in that video. So it's just like a pretty black box with like some butterflies on it. I can only see that I got like shade 05. So let's see here. I remember it being like a real, yeah, it's like a cute, oh, it's very mirrored. So it's like a mirrored compact and it does say her orange on it. Let's open this baby up. Oh, I got my thumb in it. Oh, pay no attention. I already like kind of messed it up, but it does have like a little mirror in there. And this is kind of like a taupey shimmery color. So if you put those side by side, the Novo is like a little bit kind of warmer. This is like more of like a grayish taupe. Let's go ahead and swatch this one. This doesn't look as sparkly. Oh, it's like a metallic-y satin. Whoa. Okay. Go ahead and swatch that one next to, wow. Okay. That is pretty gorgeous. Huh. Oh, that might be like a really good like one and done shadow for me. Ooh, I like that one a lot. I feel bad like I've messed up the pans in this already, but like look how cute that is. That's like really adorable. These are like really cute little single shadows. I think these were like $4 or $5. I think I really like that heart orange because it's like less glittery, more shiny. Oh yeah, these are pretty. I like these ones a lot. Wow, okay, I've got like stuff on my hands now, so I think it's time to end the video. But to recap, I did get the 2 single shadows, which I think are like really, really pretty. Super excited to try those out. I got the 3 Judy Doll eyeliners, which I absolutely love, totally recommend. I'll have to try out the McQueen Potent Sarah volumizing mascara. I'm excited to try that because I always need a volumizing mascara. And then I got the Heimish Green Clean Foaming Cleanser and then the pimple patches for hubs. All in all, I think that was like a pretty decent haul for my first time at Yesstyle. If these eyeshadows are anything, I'm pretty excited to see how this all goes. But that's all I have for you today, guys. Super short and sweet for ya, you know, just opening another box. It's what you do on here sometimes. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment down below on what you thought about this Yesstyle purchase, or if you have bought from Yesstyle before and you have something that you really like, I think I might want to check it out. And if you could subscribe to your girl, that would be the awesomest. I love you guys so, so much. Here's my heart. I will see you on the next one. Bye.